Hello, welcome to my channel. This is a little update for those of you that have actually subscribed, and hello to any new viewers as well, welcome. This is just a channel update. I've got a few things that we need to cover off that I would just like to tell you what I'm doing with the channel, basically. So firstly, you might have noticed that Tone Bogans hasn't been popping up weekly. I've run out of episodes. I haven't had time to make any more, but I do have Bass Bogans coming. I haven't made those videos yet, and it's unlikely that that will be up and running anytime before next year. And I'm going to pull back on Tone Bogans a little bit as well, so there might be about 11 episodes of that next year. It's also really expensive. I have to buy the pedals, and it's a very small channel, so I don't want to spend any more money on the channel at this point either. What else would I like to tell you? You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for all your comments and your likes. I really appreciate it. There's 200 subscribers now, so I think we should celebrate that a little bit later. What else was on my agenda? Oh, I've got a solo project, a punk pop project called White Teas Only. I'll leave a link in the description to the socials and my YouTube channel for that. That's been really fun. That's where all my energy and my attention has been, working on White Teas Only. I'm going to have an album out in January, so I haven't had time to do YouTube videos. I'm going to try and continue the ambient and the drone stuff because everyone really likes those, and they're easy for me to make. Hopefully I can stay on top of them though, because I think I might have run out of drones. There's nothing preloaded to schedule itself at the moment, which is a little bit scary. I'll get on top of that for you guys. I'm going to make some guitar pedals. I'm going to make a dirt box. It's called the Grime Dirt Box. It's basically a dirty boost. If you want one, comment below. I'm going to sell them for about 50 Australian dollars. I'll have to work out exactly how much it costs me to make, because I don't want to sell them for less than it costs me to make. Australia's really expensive, so shipping will not be included in that price. But if you want one, either email me at the link that's in my description or comment below and get yourself on the pre-order list. I'm probably going to make about 20 to start with. And that's more just so I can see if people like them, give me some feedback. You'll get it heaps cheaper than when I start selling them properly. And I'm really excited about that as well. It's such a simple little circuit, but it sounds amazing, especially on a Stratocaster. Sorry if you've got humbuckers, it's not quite as good, but on a Stratocaster or any kind of triple single coil pickup configuration, just really makes those sounds sing, and just you have to hear it. I will demo that a little bit later as well. I have to send off the prototype. I promised that as a present to a friend for their birthday, and then I was like, I gotta make a video first so that people know what it sounds like. And so I haven't made the video and I haven't sent it to my friend, so if someone can hold me accountable to that, that would be great, because I really am running out of time to have that anytime before his next birthday. I'm sorry about that. I promise I will send it soon. I did think I have... Oh, yes. I'm going to focus more on production videos as well. So they'll be incorporated instead of Tone Bogans. I'm going to probably make them really short. Just things that you can refer to while you are recording or mixing or mastering or whatever you're doing. Just little tips that you can watch and then go, oh yeah, cool, I can do that. Because I find some videos are just a little bit too long-winded. I'll be watching something and I'm like, can you get to the point, because I'm running out of time to finish my mix, or I just want to know now. So I'll be doing that. And the plan in 2020 is to have, at the end of the year, some kind of content that you can subscribe to. I'm not sure how it's going to work, but I would ultimately like to be an educator and impart my wisdom and my knowledge on everyone for music production. That will be paid. The really short stuff you'll get for free on YouTube. So I think that's about where I am at the moment. This is a sneaky little giveaway for people that listen to the end of my videos. Email me by my channel email. Don't comment about it in the comment box. Email me only with the caption giveaway, and I will give you a gift card. So make sure you've got PayPal. I will send you whatever amount is in regards to the pedal that you liked the best for Tone Bogan's season 1. They're all different prices. Some are nearly $50 and some of them I think I got for like 15 or something without watching them again. But I will sneakily give away, for all the people that watch to the end, one of those pedals of your choice by me sending you a gift card via PayPal. So let me know if you would like a free pedal. Most of them are really, really cool. I want to do it that way because on eBay, mostly the shipping is free on pretty much the majority of them, whereas I could pay up to $50 to send it to you, and it'll be secondhand anyway, so you may as well have a new one. Thank you so much for all of your support in 2019. I am probably not going to post any more videos other than drones and ambient, or maybe the odd little production update for white tees only. And I will see you in 2020. Also, it's my birthday next Monday, November the 11th. So if you would like to wish me a happy birthday on my Instagram, the link is on my channel description and header. I love birthdays and I love when people say happy birthday. So please drop on by and say hi. Thank you and ciao ciao.